Hi friends, welcome to Anu's Life. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and also hit the bell button for latest updates. Thank you. So for this friends, we require garlic paste, ginger paste, chopped onions, slit green chili, diced potatoes, chopped tomato and chopped onions. Here I have taken 4 tablespoons mustard oil, and also here is the soybean Nutella, and I have soaked it in water and it's very soft now and it's ready to cook. And for powder masalas we require Alludam masala by Sunrise. It's very good, flavorful. And next we need turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, garam masala powder, jeera powder and coriander powder, and some garam masala whole. So these are the ingredients which we require to make the Nutella curry, Nutella ki sabzi, or you can call it soyabean curry. So let us start. So first we need to take a kadai and we need to heat it. Then I'm going to add mustard oil. Wait for some time till the oil gets heated. Then I'm going to add the jeera and also whole garam masala and stir it gently in the oil. Next I'm going to add the chopped onions. I've taken 1 medium sized onion and we have to fry it. Once the onions are fried, I'm going to add the green chilies. I've taken 3 green chili and we have to fry it. The onions have to become golden brown. Now the onions are golden brown, I'm going to add the garlic paste. I will give 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and we have to mix it well. Onions and garlics give a very nice smell. Once it's cooked nicely, I'm going to add the ginger paste. And to the roast masala, I have added 1 cup of chopped tomatoes and we are stirring it nicely so that the masalas get roasted well. After that we have to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and mix it well. Now we have to put the diced potatoes inside. I have taken 2 medium sized potatoes. We have to cook the potatoes well in the masala, and after that I'm going to put the Alludam masala, which you can get in any grocery store. This I'm going to take 1 tablespoon. Now next we have to add the salt and other powder masala, cumin masala, coriander masala and garam masala. After that I have added half cup of water and then I'm going to put the boiled Nutrella. I had soaked it in hot water with some pinch of salt. Now we have to add some water to make the gravy of the curry. I have added 1 cup of water here. You can add more water if you require more gravy. Now we have to cover it with a lid for 5 minutes so that it cooks very well inside. So Nutrella curry is ready. Now you can serve it with hot rice and you can share it with your friends, family and relatives, and do let me know how you made it, how they liked it in my comment section. And till then, bye bye, take care and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.